Get that out of your mouth. Give me that. Give me that. Why are you out of breath? You're sitting down. You're moving your arms only. You are drooling though. That takes a lot out of you, baby. Oh, you're gross. Oh. Alright. Get off that strap. Good night.
Good night, girl.
Look at this baby zombie coming at you. You're a killer. Why are you so tough? Oh, she's just trying to bite the camera. It's wet now. Oh.